In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE chemistry problems on the gases. So guys, we have about 17 to 20 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, if P equals this addition of pressures, where P total is the pressure of a mixture of gases, the equation above is an expression of, so this is that down option D. Alright, next question will be this one. It says, which of the following movement can be described as random motion? Planets going around the sun, wheelbarrow being pushed, gas molecules colliding in a flask, car traveling on a straight line. So the right option is option C, which is gas molecules colliding in a flask. The next subject question will be this one. It says, which of the following phenomena leads to decrease in volume and temperature? We have evaporation, sublimation, Brownian motion, diffusion. So guys, the right option in this question is option A, which is evaporation. Alright, take note of this question. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the statements about gases is not correct? Molecules of the gas are in constant motion. That's correct. The total kinetic energy of the gas is not affected by collision. That's correct. Gases are highly soluble in water at high temperature. This is not correct. Gases have low densities compared to solids and liquids of equal masses. That's correct. So the one is not correct is option C. Gases are highly soluble in water at high temperature. So the next question will be this one. It says, which of the following gases will have the lowest rate of diffusion under the same condition? So for this question, the right option will be option D, which is chlorine. Alright, chlorine gas. So that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following gases has the lowest rate of diffusion under the same condition of temperature and pressure? I think we have answered it already. This will still be chlorine gas. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following gases is lighter than air? So the gas that is lighter than air is, we have it to be ammonia, option C. Alright, so ammonia is lighter than air. Okay, the next question will be this one. It says, which of the following statements about intermolecular distances and cohesive forces between gas is correct? They are both large, both negligible, constant and negligible, large and negligible. So the right option in this question is they are both large and negligible, option D. Alright, the next question will be this one. It says, a gas that is collected by upward delivery is likely to be lighter than air. Very important, guys. This option C. Take note of this question. That's the answer. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following gases has the lowest rate of diffusion? So there is no chlorine here. So this shows us that the right option here would be option B, oxygen. Okay, so that will be the answer to this question. The next question will be how I get the codate is from the relative atomic mass I have. So the higher the relative atomic mass, the lower the rate of diffusion. Okay, that's the way I understand it. So you can see oxygen has the highest relative atomic mass here, 16, followed by nitrogen. Alright, so that's it for this question. Next question will be this one. It says, propane and carbon dioxide diffuse at the same rate because both are denser than air. They are both gases. Their molecules contain carbon. They have the same relative molecular mass. The right option is option D. They have the same relative molecular mass. The next question will be this. So guys, before we attempt this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Really appreciate it. So this question says, which of the following gases can be collected by the setup illustrated below? So the right answer to this question will be option B. That's hydrogen chloride gas. Alright, so take note of this question, guys. Very important. Next question will be this one. So it says, in a mixture of gases which do not react chemically together, the pressure of individual gas is the partial pressure. Alright, take note of this question as well. Next of the question with this one, it says which of the following gases is lighter than air? I think we have answered it already. Is ammonia, option A. The next of the question will be this one. It says the collision between ideal gas molecules are considered to be perfectly elastic because they collide without losing energy. The distance between them is large compared to their size. They randomly they are randomly in straight line. The average kinetic energy is in the average kinetic energy is in variables. So the right option is option A, guys. They collide without losing energy. Alright. Next question will be this one. It says gas molecules are said to be perfectly elastic because they collide without loss of energy. So that's the right answer, guys. Option A. Okay, I think I've already answered this before. The next question will be this one. Is the pressure exerted by a gas is a function of speed of the gaseous molecules, mass of each gaseous molecule, total volume of the gas, frequency of collision between gaseous molecules. So the right answer to this question is option D, which is frequency of collision between gaseous molecules. The last question before I end this video will be this one. It says which of the following decrease when a given mass of gas is compressed to half its initial volume. So we have number of molecules present, average intermolecular distance, atomic radius of each particle, frequency of collision. So the one that will decrease when a given mass of gas is compressed to half its initial volume will be your average intermolecular distance, option B. Alright, so guys, this basically can do problems involving gases for your WASSCE chemistry practice with about 17 to 20 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. So tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your SNE exams like WASSCE and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the next below and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.